So I'm going to show you how. I removed the whole assembly, shifter assembly, and this is going to show you how you do it. But first, I'm going to show you if your shifter doesn't come out apart, because that's what started this whole thing. You can actually remove this piece right here. And what that does is you push this down, and that pushes that lever. Once it pushes that lever, it pushes that in, this little piece in, and then your shifter will move because it moves this piece in. See this little white thing? That little thing? Right there. That gets pushed in. I just want to show you how that goes in. There. Once that goes in, okay, the shifter will move. That's got to be put in. This whole rod right here, in here, goes down, but it won't go down. See, it won't push it. And that's when you push this in. That goes in, and it'll push that in enough to bring that lever in. And then if you push up here, it pushes that in, because of course you won't be able to get to this. All right, so then you're going to go on the back side of this, and you'll see where the lever is, but you'll also see